Hey there, brain stuff! If you're a person who has a nose and eyeballs, you've probably noticed that when you sneeze, your eyelids naturally snap shut. It's the reason that sneezing while driving is a terrifying roulette game of death. But I've got a question for you. When you were a kid, did you hear the story that if you manage to resist this reflex and hold your eyes open during a sneeze, they'll pop out of your head? Is that true? Short answer, almost definitely not, but unfortunately we can't be as perfectly certain as we would all like to be about this particular topic. Here are the facts. Fact number 1, your eyes can pop out of their sockets. It's not very common, but it can happen. Doctors call anterior bulging of the eye beyond its normal orbit a case of exophthalmos. If the eyeball gets dislocated from its socket enough that its equator is literally outside your retracted eyelids, this is known as globe luxation.